One of the many features of Google Meet is the knock feature. Students will have to wait until you let them in order to join your Google Meet session. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your meeting. Remember, the meetings won't start until you click that link. So once you click that link, it'll open up the screen where you can enable or disable your microphone and headphones. Once you're done doing that, you're going to click Join Now. Once you do that, your meeting is open for people to join. Now, if you want to make it where people have to wait to get in, so they have to knock to get in, you will go down here to Settings, which looks like a little snowman. You're going to go up to Settings. You're going to go to Host Control. And you will see this right here that says Quick Access. Now, Quick Access means that they can access your Google Meet quickly. So that means they can just come on in as soon as the link is available. Now, if you want it to where they have to knock to get in, so they have to kind of essentially be in a waiting room, you want to make sure that that's turned off like it is right now. When it's turned off, whoever tries to get into the meeting will have to wait until you let them in. So we have it turned off. And now let's wait for a student to come in. Let's see what happens. Alright, there we go. So it looks like John tried to get in, so we can either deny or admit. Now, here's the thing. If you click deny entry, they won't be able to get in for the rest of the meeting unless you go and send them an invite again. So make sure you click admit. And now John is part of your meeting. And that is how you use the knock feature on Google Meet.